all 4 bikes delivered to Delaware County Emergency Service.
Hey guys, this is Dennis, the bike mechanic. 2 questions. How did you know about us and where did you come from?
We found out about you through our county emergency services center. We're from Delaware County, Pennsylvania.
How much time did you run?
About 2 hours.
Thank you.
Well worth it.
Thank you for coming. And so we sold those bikes to Delaware County from now on. I didn't announce it yet, but whenever you come, whatever you need, you will get free lifetime service on those 4 bicycles. Just bring them over, and I will do my best to fix it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.